Let's go to the today's discussion about understanding mediation analysis. So actually, some of you are facing some problem when you will see it is, or you will say it is full mediation, or while it is partial mediation, or when there is no mediation. Let's go for the details, right? So you can see here what is mediation. So all of we are well known about what is mediation. So actually mediation is the you can see in your structural equation modeling or SEM, PLS-SEM. So mediation is the middle variable actually that connect two other variable very simply like independent and dependent variable. So actually independent variable affect dependent variable through uh, another variable. This is called mediation or mediator. So mediation explain how and why an independent variable affect a dependent variable. Introduce a mediator variable. So here M we are guessing. So show its effect in different, indirect, or both. So let's look here. So when occurs partial mediation, when occurs, so we know there are three types of mediation: partial mediation, full mediation, or no mediation in this like simple sense. Or there is two other type: competitive and complementary mediation. We'll see it later on next videos, right? So look here, when partial mediation occurs, so indirect effect. So in our model there are several effects: direct effect, indirect effect, or specific indirect effect, or total effect. Okay, so you will see in this structural equation modeling PLS-SEM. So if we use it, so when indirect effect IV, I mean indirect effect means here specific indirect effect in SmartPLS 4, IV through M or mediator through going to DV, right? When it is significant. And direct effect IB and DB remain significant. I mean when both effects are significant, that is your direct effect. Direct effect means IV and DV. This effect, I mean this hypothesis is significant, and also your specific indirect effect, I mean mediation path is significant, then we can call is a partial mediation. I mean both path contribute to the dependent variable, right? And when we'll call full mediation, so look here. So when occur indirect effect is significant, I mean your specific indirect path or indirect effect or indirect hypothesis is significant, and your direct relationship between uh, independent variable and dependent variable is non-significant. So in this situation we will call it full mediation. I mean mediator fully explain the relationship, right? And there are some steps. See here, test IV and M, this is one path, and test M DV, this is another test or another path, and test your IV DV direct relationship. Then you will examine direct effect. So let's look this picture. We can see here. So see here, there are different things. Say for example, this is our independent variable, right? And this is our mediator in the middle, and this is our dependent variable. So very carefully look here, how many hypotheses we can draw. This is the question. So first of all, we will draw a direct relation, right? From here to here, this path is direct relation. And then another we can create two direct relation as well from here to here, this path, I mean IV to mediator another relation, and here to here another path. Okay, so there are three direct relation hypotheses here. So but this is our main direct relation hypothesis, this to this, right? This is a main direct relation. We can measure whether there is full mediation or partial mediation or no mediation. So look, when this path is significant and this path is also significant, and this path is also significant, I mean three paths are significant here, right? And your you can see here, simply you can say like your mediation path is significant, and your direct path is significant. So that time we can call it is partial mediation. And when it is full mediation, when this path is insignificant, this path does not work, only our mediation path, which one is our mediation path? Through here to here, specific indirect path in SmartPLS. You can see when our mediation path is significant and this path is not significant, right? Direct path is not significant. That time we can call full mediation. And when there will be no mediation, so look here, when we can see that any of the path of this relationship, I mean this or this might be insignificant, this might be insignificant, and total specific indirect is also insignificant. That time it is no mediation. So these are the very basic concept about partial mediation, full mediation, and no mediation. So we will see the next video. So when it is complementary mediation and when it is competitive mediation. So these are the very summary for this full mediation and partial mediation. So partial mediation, direct and indirect, both significant. See here, direct and indirect path, both effect is significant. That is called our partial mediation. And when full mediation, only indirect path, I mean specific indirect path is significant and no direct path is significant, right? This is called full mediation. And when there is no mediation, so when the effect, I mean specific indirect effect is insignificant or mediation path is not, any of this path is blocked, it is called no mediation. So thank you very much. In another video I will discuss about other topics related to mediation. So thank you for having with us, and if you like this channel, please subscribe this channel for getting update. Thank you very much.